getting random calls on X, or simply don't want people to audio or video call you. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off voice and video calling on your X account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu with your account options. Now scroll down a little and tap on Settings and Support. From the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new settings page will appear with different privacy and account controls. Here, find and tap on Privacy and Safety. Now scroll until you see the option called Chats. Tap on it. Inside this section, you'll find settings related to direct messages, calling, and who can contact you through the app. Look for the option called Enable Audio and Video Calling. If the toggle is turned on, people who are allowed by your settings may be able to call you directly on X. Simply tap the toggle switch to turn it off once disabled. Audio and video calling will be turned off for your account, and other users won't be able to start calls with you through X. You can always come back later and enable it again if you change your mind. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.